Tired of guessing where the market's headed? Today, we're unlocking the power of triangle patterns on TradingView, giving you a clearer edge in your trading game. First, let's identify a symmetrical triangle. Notice how the price is making lower highs and higher lows. Draw trend lines connecting these points. The intersection forms the triangle's apex. This pattern suggests consolidation before a potential breakout in either direction. Next, we have the ascending triangle here. The upper trend line is horizontal, acting as resistance, while the lower trend line slopes upwards, indicating increasing buying pressure. This pattern often signals a bullish breakout. Conversely, the descending triangle features a horizontal lower trend line, acting as support, and a downward-sloping upper trend line, suggesting increasing selling pressure. This pattern typically leads to a bearish breakdown. Once a breakout or breakdown occurs, project a potential price target for symmetrical triangles. Measure the height of the triangle at its base, and add or subtract that distance from the breakout point. Depending on the breakout direction, apply the same approach to ascending and descending triangles. Use TradingView's drawing tools to easily plot these trend lines. Simply select the trend line tool and connect the relevant highs and lows on your chart. Mastering triangle patterns can significantly improve your understanding of market sentiment and potential price movements. So practice identifying these patterns, analyze their breakouts, and elevate your trading strategy today.